Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use AI Alive on TikTok. This feature lets you turn a static photo into a short animated video using AI, making your content more engaging with just a few taps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Next, tap the plus button at the top of the screen to create a new post. From there, select a photo from your gallery that you want to animate. After choosing your photo, look for the AI Lab option in the editing tools. If you don't see it, the feature may not be available for your account or region yet. Tap AI Alive, then wait while TikTok processes your image. Depending on the feature, you may also be able to enter a prompt or choose from different animation styles to customize the final result. Once the animation is generated, preview the video to make sure you're happy with how it looks. You can then add music, text, filters, effects, or captions before posting. When everything is ready, tap Next, adjust your privacy settings if needed, and tap Post to share your AI generated video with your followers. And that's it. That's how you can use AI Alive on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.